Okay, let me tell you the little beast of the projector I just got. It's tiny, but not let that fool you. This is basically the whole smart TV here, and it's packed just in your hand. It runs on Android 11, so yeah, it has Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, everything already built in. No extra devices needed. I literally just turn it on and start binging it. It got Wi-Fi 6, which means no lag, no buffering. It synchronized to my phone or MacBook just in 2 seconds. And do you wanna hear the coolest part? It rotates 180. Wall, ceiling, wherever I want. I don't have to mount anything. Also, I can connect it to my tripod. It's pretty quiet and also support 4K and full HD. And for something this small, the colors are crazy vivid. Plus, it also has a keystone correction, so the screen fixes itself automatically. No tech headaches. And the sound, shockingly good. It looks it too. The maple bridge and purple heart fingerboard add clarity and durability, while the elegant inlays and natural green make. But if I want the full theater vibes, I just hook up my Bluetooth speaker and connect it. It got BT5 too. I'm obsessed.
For the longest plank in history, a feat that most people would not believe possible. No one has ever studied BDNF during a plank.